Ganymede is officially classified as a moon, but structurally, that classification is misleading. Ganymede is larger than Mercury, larger than Pluto, and unlike any other moon we know, Ganymede generated its own magnetic field. That is not a cosmetic feature. A magnetic field requires a differentiated interior, a molten electrically conductive core, and sustained internal motion. In other words, Ganymede built a planetary engine. Moons are not supposed to do that. Ganymede's magnetic field exists independently of Jupiter's field. This means the dynamo action is internal, not induced. This places Ganymede in a rare category, a body massive enough to differentiate, heat internally, and organize itself magnetically. That is the defining threshold between rock and planet. So why is Ganymede not a planet? Because planetary evolution is not binary. It is staged. Ganymede progressed past formation, past differentiation, past internal heating, but stalled before atmospheric capture and surface transformation. It froze mid-process, and that is exactly what makes it valuable. Ganymede is a fossil record of planetary development. It shows us a world that almost crossed the Earth stage threshold, but didn't. This matters deeply for civilization, because it proves that moons can generate gravity sufficient for structure, maintain internal heat, and shield themselves magnetically. These are not marginal traits. They are prerequisites for long-term habitation. If Ganymede were closer to the Sun, if it were not bound inside Jupiter's radiation environment, if it had access to volatile capture, it would no longer be debated as a moon. It would be called a planet. Ganymede tells us something uncomfortable. Planets are not defined by orbit. They are defined by internal capability. And moons like Ganymede prove that planetary evolution happens everywhere, not just around stars. Once you accept that, the moon becomes the beginning, not the exception.